Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream of mango, full guide. Start by peeling and chopping 3 to 4 ripe mangoes and blending them into a smooth puree. Whip 2 cups heavy cream with 1 cup condensed milk until soft peaks form, then fold in mango puree gently. Chill the mixture for 1 hour, then churn in an ice cream maker until thick and scoopable. Serve with extra mango cubes or a drizzle of lime for brightness. Choose firm ripe mangoes with a sweet aroma and deep color, not bruised or overly fibrous. Peel, dice, and blend until a silky puree is achieved, scraping sides as needed. Taste and add 2 to 4 tablespoons sugar or condensed milk to reach desired sweetness, and a squeeze of lime to balance flavors. Chill the puree before folding into whipped cream to keep the texture light. This step prevents icy crystals and preserves bright mango flavor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for socks that outlast summer kitchen spills and freezer mishaps. I love the comfort and durability for busy cooks and outdoor fans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the mango cream mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to manufacturer instructions until it reaches soft serve consistency. Transfer to a freezer-safe container, press plastic wrap onto the surface, and freeze at least 4 hours or until firm. For scoopable ice cream, let sit 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature before serving, and garnish with toasted coconut, chopped pistachios, or fresh mango slices. Store leftovers in an airtight container to maintain creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.